There is a new method of getting more subscriber, and if you are a small creator like me still struggling to get your first 1000 subscriber, in this video I am going to show you the new method. Now you are not going to do sub for sub, you are not going to collab with any shorts, viral short, and you are not going to beg anybody to subscribe. This method is new method, and the sweet part is even big channels like FeedIQ, like Think Media, all those channels, they are also using this method to increase their subscriber. So if you know that you want more subscriber, stick around, make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you the step by step how to do it. With that being said, let's get right into it. So let me quickly show you how to do it, how to add this big subscribe button to your video description so that people can easily subscribe to your channel. So as usual, you go to your YouTube studio to fix it. So right here I am in my YouTube studio, and the first thing is that you need to get your channel ID. So this is how you actually get your channel ID. There's a difference between channel name and channel ID. So to get your channel ID, you just have to go to settings, you come to settings here, and you come to channel, you come to advanced settings, and then you scroll down, and you will see these other settings. You can see we have other settings, so you click on manage YouTube accounts. Can you see? You click on manage YouTube accounts, and it will take you to another interface entirely. So can you see? So then you click on this view advanced setting. That's where you can get your channel ID. So as you can see, this is your channel ID and this is your user ID. So as you can see, you just copy the channel ID, let me just screenshot it. So you just copy your channel ID, then you go to your, you can use it for a new upload, like if you want to upload a new video or you want to add it to your existing video, the video that you already uploaded. So let me go back to Chrome, and then I will just cancel this one, I'll just close this one, and then I'll just pick one video from this. And I will add, I'm going to, you click on this pencil icon and it will bring out the video details. It will bring it. So already I have a subscriber listing here, but let me just clean it up and use the one that we just discovered. So you now type youtube.com/channel/that you paste your channel ID. So can you see? You will paste your channel ID as you can see here. So and then you click on save. As you can see here, you click on save. So let me click on, so I'll just click on save. So as you can see the video now, so let me go back to my YouTube app, like my YouTube channel. Go, let me go back there and show you how exactly it will look like, so that once people click on it, they will be able to subscribe to it. So let me show you what I'm saying. Yes, so let me now show you the video that we just added that subscribe button to. Let me show you the video. So this is the video, right? This is the video, so let's check. Update. See, let's check the description. So let's check for the description. Let's check for that thing. You will see that thing will be there. So can you see what I'm talking about? Can you see the subscribe button? So once person just click on subscribe, the person would automatically subscribe to your channel. So as you can see that this feature is very okay. So some people will just come to your video, the first thing they will look at, they will check is your description. So once they see the subscribe button on your description, it is very easy for them to just click on it and they have already subscribed to your channel. So make sure you are using this new feature to increase your subscribers. So I wish us all the best. So let me know in the comments, are you going to be using this feature, or are you aware of this feature before? Do you know about this feature before? Let me know in the comments, and thank you very much. Make sure you watch the video that is up there. There is something very important for you there. So thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.